Today, we're making cream carrots a la Ris from For Cod Country by Barton Seaver. While looking for some fish dishes to try, we came across this recipe and we were both instantly intrigued. This recipe itself stems from Washington, D.C. chef Ris Lacoste and is Seaver's quick take on the dish. For this recipe, start by peeling and cutting the carrots into roughly 1-inch pieces. Then, in a pot, bring the carrots, water, anise-flavored liqueur, and some salt to a boil. There's a number of anise-flavored liqueurs that you can use for this dish. We used absinthe as that's what we could find at our local store. Cook for roughly 5 minutes, then reserve 1 cup of the liquid and drain the rest. Add the reserved liquid to a pot with the heavy cream and simmer until reduced by half. While this is simmering, zest and juice an orange. Next, add in the carrots, saffron, orange zest, and orange juice and combine. Continue to simmer over low heat until the sauce becomes syrup-like and the carrots are glazed. While the ingredients in this dish can feel a bit elegant, you can actually make this entire dish for a pretty reasonable price. Trader Joe's sells saffron that would allow you to make this dish multiple times as compared to a traditional price at a grocery store, and you can buy small bottles of liqueur to ultimately make this dish for less than $10. So now you can wow some company during the holiday season with these amazing flavors for a low price. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.